All right, guys, we're going to unbox the iPad. This is the 2021 12.9-inch iPad Pro. This one in particular comes with all of that, you know, the basic stuff. So, anyway. One thing I do love about Apple stuff, very simple unboxing. ASMR, yes, enjoyed it. Anyway, keep that over here, and it's supposed to fall. It's getting there. Do. Pop. There we go. It smells good. Sorry. Or you're welcome. Look how thin that boy is. Look how thin it is. Look at it. I love it. Oh, the camera was right here. This thing comes with its own dedicated camera bump. That is funny. That's cute, actually. So we're gonna put that right here. All right. Manual. USB Type-C cord. I'm gonna open that now. Unbox the USB Type-C cord. There we go. Boom, boom. Over here. This one's shorter. This one is super short. I'm actually used to having the long one with my MacBook, so I'm probably going to use the MacBook charger to charge this. But good to have an extra USB Type-C cable. And this is a, which one is this? Is this a, oh, yeah, it's plastic on it. That's why I couldn't see it. Okay, which one is this? This is a 20-watt power adapter brick thingy thing. Okay. Get this out the way. Open up. Oh. So this is one solid piece, technically. That's how this looks. Cool. All right. So this is all that comes with the iPad. And then, you know, the iPad itself. This is the space gray color as well. This is dark. I love this stuff. This is cool. All right, boom, 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 and then boom. All right, I like it. Let me not touch anything. All right, let's turn it on. This display is pretty good though. I like this. This is pretty nice. Yeah, that's pretty neat. So while that is doing that, I am going to, wow, it's at 79%. 15 seconds out of the box and it already has dust on it. I need to clean my room if it's going to be that bad. Okay, I think I got all the main stuff out of the way. I'm going to just break this in on the app side because there are a lot of specific things that I need to set up here. And I'll get back to you on all this. So with that being said, enjoy the other footage. Okay, I skipped a lot of steps in this entire thing. So I'm just going to do a couple of things. So firstly, this case is this little guy. I got this on Amazon. It was about almost 40 bucks. This will be linked in the description. I needed a nice little iPad case that actually holds the 12.9-inch iPad because big boy. And this was the best one that I just liked. It's missing the Apple Pencil right now. It's right here. But this actually is Apple Pencil friendly. And it came with this cloth that you can use to wipe the screen down as well. No screen protector because I don't do screen protectors. All right, that's unlocked. Before we get to that though, I already unboxed the Apple Pencil, but when you get it, all you would need to do is just take the plastic off and everything. You'll slide this open, pop, that. Ooh. You'll get this little guy right here, and then you'll get the Apple Pencil itself. Apple Pencil comes by itself. There's nothing in the there's nothing else in here except this. I even tried to rip this open to see if there was something else in it. All you get is the Apple Pencil. This is the 2nd generation Apple Pencil as well, because I think this is the only one that's compatible with the latest iPad Pro, which is this one right here. So we do that. Boom. It didn't snap to start charging, but it does that right there. So boom. There's the unboxing of the Apple Pencil. So this being an Apple product, you need adapters and other accessories. So I bought this 7-in-1 hub, and this is what it looks like. It just clips onto the side of the actual thing. It looks a little like this. Oh, I can't put it on like this with this on here. There we go. And does it come on? There we go. Much better. It usually pops up here, but anyway, that's that. The iPad here takes USB Type-C, so that means no lightning connector, which is great. But it does use Thunderbolt technology, so it's super duper 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 dummy duper fast. With that being said, you can actually connect SSDs like the one I have to this iPad and transfer it and all that good stuff, which I can't really show you here because that's a long process, and I wanted to keep this simple and short. But one cool thing that I've been working on in Procreate so far is all of this craziness. Oh yeah, let me put my glove on because I don't like smudging my camera. My thing. This is all I've been doing in Procreate. I've just been messing around this entire time. And yeah, that's about it. So, overall, I'm really satisfied with this purchase. I didn't want to go into anything too crazy or too detailed just because I'm like, this is all over the place, and I wanted to show you like just something very simple. And yeah, mainly because these are like first impressions. I don't really want to make anything too complicated. There we go. I didn't want to do anything too complicated for the entire video itself. Mainly because most of the stuff I've done for the video is right here. And yeah, I did one speed paint that you'll see very shortly. But I bought this iPad for many reasons. One is for art, and another one is for live streaming, because this thing is going to serve a lot of purposes. And it does all those purposes very good. I'll give it like a 10 out of 10 overall. It serves all these purposes and then some. And again, I'm satisfied. Like, very good. It's fun. You know? It's pretty good. So I ended up getting the 256 gigabyte iPad Pro 2021 model. That comes with 8 gigs of RAM and the M1 chip. That M1 chip is beautiful. That's all you really need to know, honestly. But they do have a Wi-Fi only version as well as a cellular data version. So you can actually, get a lot of good options for the iPad in the future. Do I see this thing being able to be replaced? Doubt it. Like, once you get this and get all the right bells and whistles for yourself, you'll probably not want to give this up until like 5 years later when they do the M4 chip and it's 10,000 times as powerful. Anyway, this is me rambling now, which is kind of funny. But overall, yeah, this is that's it. That's how this works. There's so many technical specifications that kind of went all over the place, and well, there's so many technical specifications that you should know about, but is it going to properly drive your purchase? Probably not, because once you get this thing, you'll like it because you bought it for a reason. Like most of the time when you buy an Apple product, you're going to find a reason to use it, or you already have a reason to use it and you just needed to get the thing by itself. So with that being said, yeah, that's that. I'm not sure how long I wanted to make this entire video, because this is basically just the first impressions and just some thoughts and all that good stuff. Overall, it was fun. It was pretty good. It was like, wow, I can do all this stuff and then some. Cool. Procreate is also fun too. Like, I was super excited to try to Procreate for the very first time, and setting it up and putting in my own personal brushes and all the brushes that I've gathered over the years. It's been cool. It's been very fun. And hopefully you've been enjoying the little bit of a speed paint that I've had. And there are a lot of brushes in Procreate too. Bit of a Procreate rant. And I spent so much time just trying to figure out what brushes I personally needed with my art style and my lack thereof art style, and everything that I wanted to use Procreate for. And I just got all over the place and did a whole bunch of craziness, and was very satisfied and entertained by all the stuff I made from everything. Actually, it was pretty odd. And photo integration is pretty cool too. And I've heard that you can edit photos in Procreate, but I don't know. I'm actually gonna do some photo editing with the iPad in the future. I just wonder what I can do with it, kind of, if that makes sense. I just don't know, because I'm so used to doing everything on my laptop, and everybody makes the joke about the new iPad with the M1 chip trying to be a laptop replacement, and I'm just like, I doubt that. That's a little crazy, but it's almost there, basically. But yeah. So with all of that being said, in the end, I thank you all for watching this little impressions video and all the craziness. In the end, do I recommend this tablet? Yeah. Like, this is technically the first iPad that I've had outright myself, and it was worth it. Like, I've always wanted to get the latest iPad and everything like that, but this was worth it. If you have an iPad of from 2018 or 2019, I think they came out with one in 2019 or 2020, keep it, because you're going to be able to do a lot of the same things on those tablets, just a little bit slower, just a little bit. But overall, yeah, go get this tablet if you want it, because that's really it. A lot of the research you're going to end up doing yourself, just because you want to make sure you got the right one for you. There's not much I can really say that will push you to getting it or not getting it, because if you are dead set on getting an iPad, you're going to get this one. Well, the latest iPad, I should say. So yeah. Now, with all that being said, I want to thank you all for watching and, dealing with a little bit of this craziness and all that good stuff. It was fun to make this video. And I'm going to do a lot more iPad drawing in the future when I get my other nibs, because I dropped the iPad. I dropped the iPencil. I dropped the Apple Pencil on the very end of the nib, and it bent, and now I can't draw with it properly. I can draw with the sides though, which is very much a plus when it comes to drawing on the side of the pencil, because that's something that's cool. All right, so the nibs came in right on time. Well, kind of like, focus. Stop playing. There you go. All right, $20 on Amazon, almost, honestly. and very much worth it because this thing broke. Well, not really broke. It's very worn down now. But yeah, so super glad that this came in. Hate that packaging. And good as new, I hope. Drawing on the side of the pencil was something that I didn't know I could do until I did it, because it's actually because the thing is broken. Basically, I have to wait a couple of days to get a new one and all that good stuff. I'm so disappointed in myself a little bit because of that. That was the one thing that I didn't think I should have worried about dropping. I dropped it, and I dropped it like 8 times over the course of the next couple of days. It was something else. But if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Please hit that like button and share it with somebody else who you think could use a simple iPad review, because this is my first iPad review, obviously, and I have no idea how well I did. So please tell me in the comments how well I did and if this actually helps, because this is fun. And I am running out of words to say. So with that being said, thank you all for watching, and until next time, I will see you all later.